In this video, I'll show you how to lock and unlock your keyboard in Windows using just one simple trick. No apps, no settings. First, press and hold the Shift key for 8 seconds on your keyboard. You'll hear a short beep sound and a small window will pop up saying Filter keys turned on. Click Yes button. Then, your keyboard will become Stop Responding, basically locking it. So if you try typing, it won't react like normal.
To unlock your keyboard, just press and hold the Shift key again for 8 seconds. You'll hear another beep and the Filter keys option will turn off. Your keyboard will work normally again.
And that's it. Super easy way to lock or unlock your keyboard on Windows 11, 10, 8, or 7. If this helped, give it a like and subscribe for more quick tips.